All right, so we're supposed to find 9, 24, and n, right? All right, so here's how I would do it. What do we got? 7, 12, and 17. I would find the nth term first. So that would be 7 plus n minus 1. What's the common difference? 5. Distribute the 5. 7 plus 5n minus 5. So then I get 5n plus 2 for my nth term. Then I would plug in 9 for n and 24 for n. All right, so I go 5 times 9, 45 plus 2, 47. And then I go 5 times 24, which is 120, plus 2 is 122. So you need that answer, this answer, and this answer for number 1.
I can't find mine. Do you have an extra one that I can forget? Thanks.
Any questions on that? Okay. The other way, I'll do number 2 the other way. Okay? But that way is the way I would do it. Okay? But the other way, Jonah, Danny, Ryan.
Yes.
Shut up. All right.
What?
Put your phone away and pay attention.
Right here.
Take your earbud out. Pay attention.
I was paying attention.
All right.
Pay attention with everything. Shut up, you've been talking the whole period.
So, A1 is our formula. I'll just write the formula here. Nth term equals the first term plus n minus 1 times d. All right? So A1 for this is 6. N is 9. And what's d? What's 4 minus 6? Negative 2. Remember, it's not first minus the second. It's second minus first, right? One on the right minus the one on the left. All right? So 9 minus 1 is 8 times negative 2 is negative 16. So that's a negative 10, right? So that's that answer for your 9th term. Your 24th term, it's still 6 for the first term. Now it's 24 minus 1 times negative 2, which is 6 minus 23 times negative 2 is negative 46, right? So what's that, negative 40? Did I do that right? Yeah. And then do the nth term. And 6 is still the first term, but we're at the nth term, so it's n minus 1 times negative 2, which is 6 minus 2n plus 2 when I distribute, which equals negative 2n plus 8 for the nth term. So personally, I would do the nth term first, like I said, and then figure them out. But you want to figure them out first, then the nth, that's okay. Either way works. Questions? Getting those right? Hope so. Number 3 was negative 15, negative 9, and negative 3. Okay? So the nth term is the first term plus n minus 1. What's negative 9 minus a negative 15? positive 6, right? So I'm going to distribute the 6. I'll just stay on this side. So 6n minus 6. So my nth term is 6n minus 21.
Okay,
All right? And then I'm going to plug 9 in for n in that formula. So I'm going to go 6 times 9, 54, minus 21 is 33. And then 24 is 6 times 24 minus 21. 6 times 24, 144? Minus 21 would be 123. Yeah. So 33, 123. We good? Do I need to do 4? Okay, 4. First, or the 9th term is negative 45. 24th term is negative 150. Nth term is negative 7n plus 18. Any questions? Okay, so we're good there? All right, number 5 and 6, similar but a little bit different. I give you the 5th term, so A5 was negative 15, and A7 was negative 25, and we're looking for A17, right? So to find D, you take the 7th term, what actually it is, minus the 5th term, divided by the number of terms, 7 minus 5. So what's that, negative 10 divided by 2, so that's negative 5. So we're going down by 5 each time. So if you want, you could go to put a 25 in, negative 25 in your, or you could write them too, I guess. Write them out. Or use your calculator. Or do them out. Right? But if you wanted to, you put negative 25 minus 5 enter, minus 5 enter. So that was twice, right? And how many times do I have to do that to get from 7 to 17? 10. So that was twice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You gotta do it a couple times and then hit enter and it'll do it. The answer is negative 75. What I do is I figure out that, I didn't want to do that, just want to do this. I figure out that it's 10 spots from 7 to the 17th, so I just multiply this D by 10, and then I put it under there, and that gives you your answer. Okay? That's what I do. But you could do it like I showed you on the calculator if you wanted. Number 6, same type of problem. So we got the 4th term, which was 10, and the 7th term, which was 22, and we're looking for the 21st term. Okay? So I have to find my D value first, my common difference. So again, 22 minus 10 over 7 minus 4, 12 over 3. So my common difference is 4. So how many spots is it from 7 to 21? 14, I was going to say 7 to 14. All right. So 14 spots. So 4 times 14 is what, 56? So I'm going to add 56. So that's 78. For the 21st term. Make sense? That's ticklish, huh? Don't feel that either, do you? Just too tough for it. Questions on those two? Pretty easy, right, Christopher? Yeah. Okay, the last three, you use this formula. Okay? So for number 7, it says the nth term is 5n plus 3, and it says n equals 11. So what I'm asking you is to find the sum of 11 terms. So n is 11. All right, I have to find the first term for that spot. So that means put a 1 in for n. And what other term do I have to find? How many terms am I supposed to add? How many terms am I supposed to add? 11. All right, so I have to find the 11th term. So this is the first and that's the last term. Or that's an 11, that's A11, right? So 5 times 11 is 55 plus 3 is 58. So that's 66 divided by 2, which is 33, which is 363 for number 7. Okay? Do I need to do 8 and 9? You got it? Okay, number 8 is 175. The number 9 is negative 115. Anybody need to see those? Okay. Last quiz will be Friday. Enjoy your walk. Don't trip in front of those elementary schools or primary schools. All right? I'll see you at the picnic. I think you get your yearbook too, don't you?
Yeah, I think so.